Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shami Chakrabarti,
And I'm Ronak Rajani.
and this is Broke Studio, the podcast with no edits.
Good?
I mean, there's no, I don't know French, Portuguese, and all. So I tried Malayalam. There's no language to download Malayalam. Because I thought I'll just do Malayalam and tell my mom to talk.
Right. So you can.
Oh, that's a live. So you can wear AirPods and you'll talk in other languages.
Yes,
Yeah.
bro. So just
Yeah.
live translates for you. So you can just be like
Yeah.
a spy and shit
You can
now.
travel the
Yeah.
world
But with
AirPods.
delay, with some delay. So it'll be just waiting for the one to come.
Okay, and you go to Italy and you're like, can I have a pepperoni pizza? And they're like, no. And you're like, what does that mean? And after 10 seconds, it's like, no.
Yeah, the Spanish guy's like, I'm going to kill you in un, dos, tres. And when he's on tres, you hear one. You're like, okay, I have time.
I have time to negotiate.
Latency issues.
Those three, I'm going to kill you.
Upasito palate Maria. But
Ricky Martin is killing you.
yeah.
But you could just play like a film.
Yeah.
on-
But still, it's like when you get the wrong subtitles for the film, like one which has delay.
It's delay and it's the whole
Yeah,
film.
whole
Like,
The film.
you're in the next scene and it's like, John, are you home? And he's like, dude, he's already driving on the street. I hate that so much. You know, when you download, you get the perfect crisp one print for the movie, but the subtitles are like, I wasted all that effort.
And they give the
man.
credits of subtitles generated by
Yeah.
Team Demon.
Yeah.
Shut
I'm
up,
going to
idiot.
Twitter. I'm like, hey, Team Demon, your subtitles are shit. And they're like, dude, this is illegal. Why are you? You're a problem.
Yeah, man, that's like a team that they took shifts. They're like, I'll do the first 20
Yeah.
minutes, you do the next.
Yeah, it's
And then they met afterwards. They're like, yo, okay,
Yeah.
we got it for Born Identity.
Dude, a lot of people we knew worked in subtitling for Netflix.
Yeah,
and
that's
all.
true. We know some of the guys who've done all the subtitles.
Yeah, they watched the stuff earlier.
Yeah.
Before it came out.
Yeah.
Oh, how does
This is that's their salary, by the way. They get to watch it.
Yeah.
earlier.
Wait, so
They subtitle.
They subtitle shit before it comes out.
All that moans aggressively, all those things. These guys only
All
put.
of that. They decide which adjectives to go with.
Amazing.
It's
My
funny.
favorite is big bracket, indistinct chatter, close bracket.
Yeah,
It's like, dude, if you can't decipher, then why are you writing it?
Yeah. This is, this guy, who was it? What's his name? Dan Rath. He has a joke, this Australian comic. He's like, that's like you're saying to deaf people, even if you could hear this, you couldn't hear it.
Yeah.
That's the joke. Like, why are you
It'd be
wasting
better if it
time?
is just open bracket, blah, blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah. Close bracket.
Also, you know what I really hate with subtitles? When you can't hear anything and they write something, like something which is not caught in audio also
Yeah.
they're
Yeah.
subtitling. I mean, I don't need that level of
Yeah.
detail.
Yeah.
Apparently some dialogue was said in the
Oh
distance.
yeah, correct. Like a
Yeah.
person in the back, like an
Yeah.
extra is like that coffee's $4. And you're like,
I didn't know that.
What if at the end of the movie it's all about that coffee?
this is
soda?
what happens when you have a team of subtitlers.
Yeah, everyone, one person, they are subtitling.
Everyone's trying to shine. They're like, you know what? You know that guy? He doesn't even talk. I'm
Yeah.
gonna make it look like he does.
The plant is the plant ka subtitles like chlorophyll.
Some guy does a spoiler in the movie only. Hey, this guy's the killer at the end. That's the subtitle. You know, Ronak, what's this this new look you've got? I've not seen.
I got a new look, bro. I got a mullet.
You got,
I got a mullet. I got LASIK.
it's back in. Mullets.
It's back. I don't know, man. I'm having a midlife crisis. I've turned 31, which is much younger than you
Yeah.
50-year-olds.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
the
Much younger.
youngest in the
But
You're the youngest in the room,
Yeah,
man.
But I
the
can't-
highest in the room. Second version that was. I'm the youngest in the room.
I can't take it, dude. I can't take it. So I was like, I'm gonna get a tattoo also soon.
Tattoo,
Yeah.
where?
On my dick. I don't know where.
So you got LASIK. Yeah, you
I got
just-
LASIK
okay.
surgery.
Awesome.
I got a mullet.
You should get a tattoo of glasses. You let it go, and just the years, like when you had it to 2025. Dude, that's awesome.
You're saying here? I thought here.
Yeah, just get the real.
That is even better. That's like I don't need the glasses, but I'm committed to the look.
Go back to my old glasses. I'll never lose you now, bitch.
Dude, this is the best. Like you will be legendary forever if you get the glasses. It's a huge commitment. Your life will change forever.
It's a face tattoo.
You and Mike Tyson have one thing in common.
Yeah.
He has the coolest face tattoo and you're the dumbest one.
That would be so fucking cool, dude, if you had a glasses tag. Because Ronak walked in and we just saw him with these.
Yeah, hey, where's it, man? Put it out. Let our viewers see it.
These Bono.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hello,
Just to be clear, I've been,
I'm in a place called Vertigo.
just to be clear, I have
Yeah.
to walk around with these since the last like 4 weeks, and I have like
Okay.
2 more weeks of wearing this.
Oh, okay. And then
Because I can't let anything touch my cornea.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Because with my cornea,
So our foreplay, how do you manage with foreplay?
I wear it all the time, dude.
Yeah.
With or without your love.
That's the only way I
also,
get
if,
off.
if you don't do this and it damages his eyes, you'll be like, the streets have no
But
name. I can't
just
read.
firstly, this is outdoors.
Yeah.
This is outdoors. I have to wear
Okay.
this. I don't have to wear this at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be dumb.
That'll be
You
hilarious.
can do some welding also now.
I can
It's
do some
like
welding.
a time pass.
I can do some welding.
But wait, so I'm guessing once you did the LASIK, the first day or two, you had to just be home.
Blind.
Oh, best day of my life.
Yeah?
Best day of my life. No phone. No nothing. Everybody knows that I'm out of action. I'm just lying down in bed, dude.
Listening to music or
Listen to a podcast or some
podcasts.
shit. I was listening to this podcast. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
I was-
That's
I
right.
was
That's
just
right.
Hey, man.
This guy can
We
lie.
saw that
dude.
one viewer from Mumbai.
I was just,
Yeah, we
I was
saw
like-
one spike in our analytics.
I was just like, I'm so glad I can't open my eyes because I have to see that trashy setup.
It's
Dude,
for
He'll
you.
Uh,
be thinking, oh fuck, I was like par. That's why I saw the old set.
No, this guy will be thinking, it's been 5 minutes. Why have they not asked about relationship status yet? Don't they know how this works? So, Ronak, what's your relationship like?
Yeah, I think I don't think I've had a real conversation with anybody in the comedy scene in a while now. I think I've only asked them where their
Yeah.
relationship status is.
You know, when Ronak calls, I don't say hello. I'm like, single. That's how I start the call.
Dude, stressful.
Yeah.
Because I sit with my girlfriend like, what did we do?
Yeah.
Any fight? Any interesting fight we had? To
I'm
bring
trying
up?
to change my relationship status every few months in case there's another thing.
Yo, Gautam's got a cool thing going, which is that the last time he came, was that the first time you came when you spoke about your dog? Your
Yeah,
ex-girlfriend?
first time was dog.
First time he spoke about your
Bastard brings it up now also.
Yeah. Yeah,
cool.
he had to break up with
Cool,
his
we'll bleep
dog.
this.
Yeah.
So we happened to bring it up in the next episode, and then he told me, "Don't ever bring it up again. I have another girlfriend, and this is like from
Yeah,
my past.
previous.
This is weird."
Yes.
So now I just bring it up every time I see him.
Dude, last time audience was like, because of the dog, right? I was like, yo, what's getting...
Oh, God.
I can't edit everybody out of this, man.
Yeah, it's crazy what people hold on to. Do this.
The worst. That first row was saying, oh, he was upset because of the dog. like, dude, you don't understand the fight you just started right
Get
now.
a life, dude. Jesus Christ. Even I don't remember my life that well. But we were just discussing when we found out you've done LASIK. We've got the full spectrum of eye issues here. You
yeah?
just
You have
got
perfect eyes,
LASIK.
20/20 vision.
As of
20/20.
now.
As of
this-
now means what? Truth.
We'll see.
What the fuck, bro?
It's 2 years. Like 2 years it comes back.
Yeah.
No, it takes time.
Takes time.
3 years.
Yeah, you can't see it coming though.
Enjoy these 3
Are you
years.
gonna do it? Are you ever gonna do
I'm
it?
thinking about it. So that's the thing.
Dude, have you seen his glasses?
What was your number?
Yeah, now with 20/20 vision, I can.
What was your power?
It was 4.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we're in the same range.
4.5. What is yours?
5. Yeah.
5.
It's the
Yeah,
same.
get it done,
It's
dude.
ridiculous.
Yeah, and this guy has power, but he's never worn his glasses ever.
Wait, what?
Yeah, one.
One.
Small baby power.
Oh,
Yeah,
baby
but
power.
then don't you get a headache or something?
No, not when you're doing something you love.
Which is not looking at the world. That's what he loves.
Just closing your eyes all
I
the
love
time.
not seeing things.
But this is what I miss about having glasses.
Yeah.
Is that sometimes you can just like when I'm overstimulated,
You
I can
can
take my
cut
glasses off,
Ah.
and I can just
Bro,
be like, I'm in my own zone
It's
now.
the best. I remember once I
Yeah.
was driving and I was like, I'm sick of. I'm just sick of this traffic. Bro, I was just, it was like Fight Club. I just felt the traffic. I let the Jesus take the wheel or whatever. And it was beautiful.
you took your glasses
Yeah, yeah. I could see the red light.
You
In
could
fact,
see
it
it.
gets bigger, right? The light when
Correct,
you take your
correct.
glasses. So that's all you need, really. It's better.
Yeah. As soon as it turns green, you put it back on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It was beautiful. Actually, but I love to. You can cut off from the world.
Yeah.
And if
Yeah.
you don't really need glasses anymore. You can watch.
Ridiculous. Can you show me yours again?
Yeah, sure.
Can I tell you something? The very week that I got my LASIK, Mark Zuckerberg dropped the new Ray-Ban Meta, which I'm tempted to buy, which is
Now you can't.
which is dumb.
Yeah, but
But,
the whole
but it's
idea
so
of
dumb
glasses.
because I'm wearing something again. On my
Yeah.
face.
What is? It's like the new Meta glasses or whatever.
Meta
Yeah, but it has a screen over here. As in, it has a small projection over here.
Okay.
So my understanding is that Meta gave just the camera glasses, which was like everybody already had.
Yeah.
I mean, it was invented for you to watch
Correct.
people,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like you record them.
Yeah.
Right?
yeah.
Even yours has it. I'm assuming.
Obviously. I really don't look at people until I get home and I review the footage. I'm like, oh, I was looking at this guy at 2
Transfer to
p.m.
the hard drive.
Oh, that's why she was angry that I didn't comment on her dress.
Dude, I work hard all night. I'm watching what I should have watched in the daytime.
It's like a science fiction movie. Like at the end of the
Yeah.
day, you're like Black
it's,
Mirror.
It's minutes of the meeting. But what I actually don't know the
So then
use.
Google
Yeah.
dropped Google Glasses, which
Yes.
was like, oh, we got a camera and we can show you the way.
Yeah.
And here's the coolest thing about Google Glasses, which is like if I walk into a room and I just drop my keys and then I continue to walk, and 1 hour later I'm like, where are my keys? Google Glasses will be like, hey, you idiot, you dropped it by the flowers or whatever. So you're like,
Okay.
oh, cool.
But only if you dropped it and you looked at it. If you dropped it like this, Google Glass didn't see it. Then then
You gotta look at everything.
Drop it like
you have to lose it.
You're just
You have to lose
hiding
it
it from
in
Google
Glass's field of vision.
I don't need big tech to find out where my keys are.
I mean,
you
you
can
can.
first Google Glass, the one with the,
No, the one they
weather
just
over here.
the one they just dropped.
Oh, just dropped. Okay.
They just dropped it, and because they just dropped it in, I think that's the reason why I'm not following what's happening.
Okay.
But instead of waiting for a whole year, Mark Zuckerberg just dropped the Ray-Ban Meta
Yeah.
2, which has all those features also.
It just seems like it's something that's ready to do something we don't know yet, and that's the real feature. Whatever that is, something
Yeah.
horrific in the future.
I just feel like I would want I would want glasses with a camera on,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't want with everything. I would.
why would you want? Tell us what do you need
Yeah.
this for?
Don't just scoot away from that
No.
topic. Like we all agree with
You want like a relationship advice, like Ronak
POV.
Cam? That
No,
would be
no,
your.
one second. POV cam is a fun thing to like. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
There are so many. Okay, here's the main reason why I want
Yeah.
it. Because as you guys know, when we have spoken offline, that I look after all the dogs in my area,
True.
right?
Yes.
And in the course of doing that, I get into a lot of fights with people. And in the middle of a fight, the best thing you can do is take a camera off to
Yeah.
show that person being aggressive with you.
Yeah.
But when they see the camera, they stop being aggressive.
Yeah.
Yes.
So my whole thing is that to
Yeah.
continue getting them
Say,
aggressive.
hey Meta.
Yeah.
And
कौन है Meta था साले?
And Meta glasses will give you analytics of how racist this guy is on a scale of 0 to 100, everything.
No,
That's the
but
main reason I want
the
glasses.
Meta, this presentation that he's talking about, which Mark Zuckerberg,
Yeah.
it failed. The Meta thing, the
didn't
presentation,
work?
yeah, it didn't work. So
Oh, it didn't work?
it didn't work because I saw it, and it's so funny to see billionaires embarrassed, bro.
Yeah.
Because this, he was like, okay, he called one guy, and he was like, yeah, they can show how you can cook with Meta glasses, saying that I have all the ingredients in front of me.
Oh.
Make a Korean style something.
Actually cook, okay. I thought in the Gen Z way.
Right? No,
like-
real cooking. you know, like
Bro
no.
cook right now with his Gen. Okay, sorry. yeah. Let him cook. Man.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
then Meta was like, okay, so now first, it looks like you have all the ingredients. It's like, yeah, cool, let's start cooking. Cool, now that you have reached the end of the recipe, and then he's like, Meta, help me cook, right? And like, now that you've reached the end of the recipe, and then Mark Zuckerberg was like, okay, that seemed to not have worked. Like, yeah.
Dude, that's
No
so
way.
embarrassing.
That's
you think someone
embarrassing.
gets shot right after that? That's
You
gonna
can
be
see him
something.
visibly pissed, like,
Yeah. He's learned MMA now, right?
Yeah.
Zuckerberg. He probably takes some guy
Jiu-jitsu.
jiu-jitsu. He's gonna
Jiu-jitsu,
go
yeah.
Brazilian jiu-jitsu.
But by the way, that's also why I got LASIK, because of
you want to
the
fight?
one fight I had.
Oh, yeah.
When I was feeding dogs, that guy first thing he
the
did was
first comedian to get a case, by the way.
on not comedy, which is
Yeah, not
kinda
comedy.
sad.
Not-
It's just kinda-
Side hustle.
Kinda sad, yeah.
Your side hustle took you out. yeah.
But by the way, I didn't get the case. I made the case.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well, okay. You went,
Yeah.
you took to court.
I had to go to court.
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah. Sorry, huh?
So the
because
first thing he did was when he
yeah.
broke he punched my face. The first thing he broke was my glasses.
Yes.
So since then, I was like,
But
in a
not
fight,
your
I couldn't-
spirit. But not
Yeah.
your
Not my
spirit.
spirit.
That's the most important.
Not my spirit.
But
I
I
couldn't
think-
see him in the
Yes.
fight, and that's why I was like, I need to get LASIK.
Dude, you know what? It's natural. Like people will go for the glasses also because they're like, this will cause damage to his
Yeah.
face.
Yeah.
It's the balls of your face.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's why you don't have it.
Wow, man.
last
He got LASIK, dude.
But he's gonna
not a
get the
part of your-
tattoo. So we're still team glasses. But no, I remember my friend in school. He had braces,
Huh.
and we got into a fight once. All right.
Did he put the rubber band also? Was the rubber band also
He had the
there?
full,
Oh,
the
those
full.
are awesome.
He had the
Yeah,
full
those are
version, the
awesome.
full
Yeah.
version, not demo. and
Yeah.
everything, rubber band,
Rubber
the
bands.
Saturn ring, and everything. All right. And we got into a fight, but you know, you not really fight as
Yeah.
kids. So
Right.
you don't expect someone to throw a punch. We used to
Huh.
just push and shove.
Yeah.
And this guy actually punched me in the face, and I started bleeding a little bit. And I was gonna punch him. Then I, like on Gandhi, I remember he has braces. It
Bro.
would bleed like crazy. So I stopped. And then he started crying because he's like, why did you make me do this, bro? So I made him
Oh, he
cry.
he cried
felt
with
bad
guilt.
because he's not a fighter. And I made him punch me and I was bleeding. So he started crying and I also started crying.
One second. One second.
We
one
both
second.
cried. This is the...
He blamed you. Why did you make me
Yeah,
do
yeah.
this to
This
you?
is like the first time I've been gaslit in my life.
That's amazing, dude.
I was sitting in the emergency exit, and this cabin crew comes. She's like, "Sir, in the event of an emergency, are you ready to open it?" Yes, yes, yes. One uncle is like, "No."
Then?
She's like, "Sorry." She's like, "No." He's like, I won't open." So she's like, "Okay, then I'll move you. Like, we'll have to replace." And then she continues because she's like halfway through. She's like, "I'll just finish it." And then he's like, "Excuse me, no, I'm fine. I'll do it." And she's like, "Sir, you said no. Like, we need someone who's willing." And then his friend who's with him is like, "Why did you say that?" He'll do it, ma'am. I'm telling you.
Sahi banda hai, bhai.
What a thing to say no to, dude.
Yeah, but actually speaking,
Yes.
I didn't sign a contract. I just said yes.
Yeah, I mean...
In the case of an emergency, if I didn't open it, no one's dead. No one's
Yeah,
going to
no
be
one's gonna-
But you to said,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
But also, in the case of an emergency, why would you not open? Think of a situation where you're like, fuck that, I'm not opening
Yeah.
it. People are, it's on fire. This is the exit.
If someone calls me
Like, no.
fat, if someone says, fatty, open the door, I'm not opening it.
Just get pissed
They're like,
off.
मैं क्यों करूँ? And you're right here, you're blocking the path.
Have you gotten the pop quiz emergency exit
What is that?
announcement?
No.
Where they do the announcement and then like quick quiz. When should you open? One guy's like, it's like
Anytime you feel
evacuate.
like, they're like, no, wrong.
Yeah, they do. Sometimes they do like.
I've never got
spot
the quiz.
Yeah.
I've never got the quiz. I'll fail. I mean, you have to, when they say passenger
Yeah, but
evacuate,
once I got
evacuate.
tough questions, they were like, "What's the color of the thing you should pull?" I was like, I
Bro,
mean,
come on. What?
It's like, what is UPSC
I
do?
would, yeah, I would tell evacuate.
Yeah.
I'd say it a third time. now.
Yeah. They should come and say, passengers evacuate, and they want to see whose hand is already on there. They're like, good, sit down again. Now, what I like to do is when I sit at the emergency exit, just stare at the exit, the handle in a sinister way the whole time, and make everybody uncomfortable. Like he's gonna pull it
One
any
guy in
moment.
the US got
get a white
kicked out
paper.
because of that.
Sorry?
One guy in the US got kicked out just because
This
of doing it.
behavior.
He was just like fiddling with that thing, opening
Hey,
it.
wasn't
closed.
there a politician who did that?
I mean, yeah.
Really?
Our Bangalore zone.
Right?
Tejasvi Surya.
Tejasvi Surya did
Oh,
that.
he did this?
He removed the while it was
Why?
grounded. It was on an important call.
Really?
You fidget, right? You're like,
No, he was not getting signal. He's like, let me open the window. You can't do that in a plane, dog.
He was just doing it while it was taxiing to
Yeah.
have fun. Was it for a call or was it because he was just trying to show his alpha?
No, I don't know why.
I think it would have been for some political.
Yeah, it must
clout,
be like, yo,
something.
I'm doing this because I can. Like,
Yeah.
it's like imagine if three of us are sitting and then I
Nobody
go,
said you can't, dude.
like if we're on a train and I go, guys, pull chain, stop train, and then
Yeah.
Shamik's like, no, that's illegal. But
Yeah.
you're the politician. You're like,
Yeah.
who could stop me?
Yeah, that's true.
I think it's one of
Yeah,
those.
the DGCA can stop him.
Yeah.
He was like, yeah.
Dude, I heard like in Mumbai locals, someone experiences that there was a situation where they had to pull chain and it's not connected to anything. Nothing happens.
Flush.
It's
The
just-
flush happens in the bathroom.
Some guy was not ready to
In
flash.
my house, suddenly it goes, oh, damn! Finally, I found one.
On the other hand, the flush, the wires are interchanged. You flush and the train stops.
When you flush the train stop is so bad because like damn, that's a horrible dump I did.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
When you pull chain,
Yes.
do you hold the brakes or do you give a suchna to the driver?
I think that. It's got to be the Suchna. I don't think they give that kind of power to the citizens.
No, it is direct brake, bro.
No, I think in the West it would be direct, but I think
But
that's an
here-
honor system.
Dude,
we
I
can't
think
in the West, it would be direct. Why?
because there's an honor code. I think you can't go with honor code in India because someone will fuck
Bro.
around and find
Okay,
out.
yeah.
I have the best
Yeah.
Gujarati tourist group story.
Oh.
Okay, which is like, you know how like Swiss people are known for their punctuality. So
Yeah.
Yes.
the Swiss advertisement, travel Switzerland advertisement for that year
Yeah.
was Trevor Noah and Roger Federer
Oh, yeah, I think I've seen
taking two trains, and they're like they try to meet at a different spot and they meet at the correct time,
Okay.
and they're proven wrong, thinking that the train will never meet at
Yeah.
the right time. Okay, and then they go, wow,
But they do, yeah.
Swiss trains are never,
Yeah.
Yeah.
never ever late.
that. Yeah.
Switzerland, please visit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm literally in a Swiss train,
Yeah.
and this big group,
Yeah.
like you know how the groups are, right? There's old people, there's mostly old people, and there's like three
Yeah,
or
like
four
Kesari
young girls.
tours type group.
No, I think it was just like a Gujarati
Okay, a
family.
family.
Okay.
Sure.
And the young guy of the group just went to the TC and he was like, "Here's everybody's tickets. This is where we are, etc., etc." And then he goes, "As you can see, ma'am, we have a lot of old people here. So can you wait for like 2-3 minutes so that everybody gets out?" And she goes, "Dude, where Switzerland,
this is
dude, get your
Switzerland.
fucking old people out of here faster." So
Kick him out.
she was like, "No fucking way." And he was like,
Yeah.
and he was like, "Just okay, at least 1 minute wait."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sometime you have to give me. And she was like, who are you? What's wrong with you?
This is Switzerland, dog.
Yeah,
That's
and
insane.
Yeah, but I also then I realized that like we live in a country where like the fourth time you ask, we can't stop a train.
Yeah.
Dave.
So I guess that's why they
We
won't
are
give
quite
us.
accommodating in,
Yeah, yeah.
in that way.
Is
to
it
a
accommodating?
fault.
Is it pushover?
Sure. That's the
Right?
negative lens on it is we are pushovers.
Lens? He doesn't. He's classic.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah,
my
different
bad.
word.
Lens free now. By the way, this is a pitch to Lenscart. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
pitch. We on a spot. If you want Lenscart, I'm still team glasses. If you want me to not shift over to team LASIK, let's have some offers.
Lenscart, please don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't want none of that 3 glasses free kind of. Who needs 3 pairs of glasses at one time? What
Buy
do you
2,
need?
get 1
Yeah,
free.
yeah.
It's always 1+1 Lenscart
Yeah.
because one you can wear and one you can hang here
Yeah.
at the same time. You're
For
like,
tougher problems.
Lenscart also has that, right? That magnetic.
Oh yeah.
oh really? Like the Morpheus glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can put a black magnet and then remove it and then yeah.
Dude, I just have this phobia of like putting anything magnetic on
Yeah.
my head. I'm just like something we're messing up with the chemistry.
for sure, for sure, for sure.
Like it's pulling iron into.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
probably
But this
very
yours is
unscientific.
Polaroid glasses. I've
Yes.
never seen Polaroid. This is one of their small businesses.
This is their
huh?
side hustle.
Side hustle.
Yeah, Polaroid. Like they're not like they don't make a lot of them.
Yeah.
But I looked it up. Like it's legit.
Yeah.
I was like maybe this is some rip-off.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't care with glasses so
Okay.
much.
What is the
Polaroid
difference?
is-
Polaroid, the camera.
The camera company.
The company's glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Oh.
Polaroid, the company's glasses.
Oh,
so when I
fucking
see
ridiculous,
something, right,
They're
it
like
takes 1
Windows
minute for it
Zoom.
to develop. After 1 minute it develops, then I can see it. It comes out
You're
from...
taking like
Wait, yeah, he can't believe what he's seen. Show me
Oh,
fast.
Dude, I have like every night 1 million pictures I have to go through to understand my day.
Thank God for those videos, right?
I like to... This is the old school, dude. I'm still old school.
Save so much of your time.
Anak Rajani, you are a lawyer, I believe.
I studied law.
Yeah, that's not the same thing as being a lawyer.
Not one bit, brother.
Oh, the bar. You didn't pass the bar.
He passed
I
the
did, I
bar.
did.
You did. Kim Kardashian and you passed the bar.
Me, both of us.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Is the bar a universally same test,
No,
like
no.
worldwide? Every place has its own bar.
Every country has its own bar.
Okay.
But I think.
And when is the happy hour? Sorry, this is stupid. The worst. Sorry.
Gujarat has no bar.
Yeah. If you do it at 2 p.m. means you can get half the questions right, you get in.
Yeah, but
Come in the afternoon.
get half right, get half free. 2 for 1 offer. Sorry. Okay, so the Indian bar is it's his own thing. We've got our own.
Yeah,
Indian
and
bar.
I also
standing bar, standing. We got to write standing.
And then you pass out right there.
bar is the bar bar
Tetra Pak.
council of Mumbai and Goa. That's the one that recognizes me.
Oh.
When I went to the Karnataka one, they were like, "Who's this?"
And now it's going to be harder with this LASIK. No one's going to be. Even check with Mumbai and Goa also. They'll be like, who's this guy?
You go to Bangalore High Court, like, hey, what are you doing here? Who are you?
The Bar Council no longer recognizes John Rajani because he looks different now. They update, with some Latin, they update that shit.
So dumb.
We no longer recognize whatever, summa cum laude. I don't even know what terms to throw in. Okay, so you pass the bar. Bar is what you pass to get into law school, right?
No.
Or to become a lawyer.
Become a lawyer after law school.
Sorry, my bad.
First, you got to do the entrance exam.
Yeah. Okay, entrance exam. So bar is the exit exam. The exit interview.
It's how you exit, and then you can
Okay, so you pass the bar, but you never practiced.
never practice.
Why are you wearing that lawyer clothes? You go in very full clothes. Hey, who are you?
What is this? The dumbest lawyer of all time would like wear legal clothes and go to a bar. Like, yo, I'm recognized in this area. This is the dumbest
Where
thing
they
I
know
think
my
we've ever
name.
said.
Everybody knows my name.
It's like cheers. What a reference which 5 people will get. 3 of them are here. 2 other people will get that reference. Look up old TV show Cheers if you guys want it. Sorry. So you passed the bar. You didn't practice.
No, never practiced. Guess I just got
What?
it.
But what
Genre.
part of law? Yeah, what genre?
What
What
genre?
genre?
Yeah, sci-fi.
You can get. It's like MBBS, bro. You become a doctor first, and then you become a specialized doctor.
Oh, you have to do
Oh.
like 2 more years
Yeah.
if you want to.
If I wanted to
specialize.
specialize.
Okay, and I think there's a category of like what's the brain neurosurgery of law? What's the best one?
I don't think there's a neurosurgery. Are you saying neurosurgery is a neurosurgery because you get paid a lot, or are you saying because it is?
It's the ones the best lawyers,
Yeah,
the best doctors
electrical
go for.
and electronics.
So
electrical communication.
Yeah.
ECE of
As per the conversations, I knew I never wanted to be a lawyer.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get a degree so that
Yeah.
I
and
don't
you
know.
got law degree, which is one of the
Yeah.
toughest ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can
Just
say
get
that
a
I
law
have
degree,
something.
yeah.
Correct.
But I think that there is like people do criminal law,
Yeah.
Correct.
which is the cool one if you are at the top of criminal law or you're like a struggling person
Yeah.
of what I understand.
Yeah.
And then there's corporate-
Versova criminal law.
Yeah, like those.
Local
Like
wala.
I'm fighting for justice,
Yeah.
not for like protecting the bad guy.
Yeah, that's the one that's also not like cool relatively. Like you're doing the right thing. You're doing law the right way sort of thing.
Yeah, but it's not
Yeah.
cool like money cool.
It's not money cool. Yeah.
It's not money cool. Money cool is like when you're
Corporate.
doing the wrong thing. When you're
Yeah.
Yeah.
when you're supporting the bad guy.
Yeah, the money cool is my client refuses to speak right now.
Yeah.
Right? He declines. What happened? What's
What is
it?
that?
Yeah.
From Vietnam.
It's from Vietnam.
Yeah, it's a
Is that
Vietnamese
supposed to
kid
happen
put
or
that over there.
Yeah.
Just check is a help written on
Honestly,
it.
that's a pretty good thing that I was worried. Was you gonna pull out a leaf? I was like, fuck. That's
Dog, I thought that was the bill. I thought you were gonna be like, Ronak, you owe us.
We're like, check that out with your new LASIK eyes. Huh? That's your bill right now. Can you see? Okay, so then there's criminal. I mean, largely there's criminal and civil. I know that
Yeah.
much. But
Criminal,
and
civil,
corporate also.
corporate.
Okay.
There are solicitors. There are contract
Solicitors.
lawyers.
I've heard that word only when in cases.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like she's soliciting some favors from
Yeah, it seems
her.
like little nefarious, like soliciting.
yeah.
I think solicitors are more like
They're cool.
I think they're more towards like the desk job. They litigate lesser.
Oh, they're not they don't wear the Batman cape.
Yeah,
They're
I
just
think the
like-
ones
yeah.
who are there
Yeah.
in court
Yeah.
are litigators who are
Correct.
who are buying the shots for everybody.
Correct. The ones who Tariq pe Tariq.
Yeah.
Tariq pe Tariq.
They are the litigator.
Um,
That's a documentary, right? That film where he says
It's
Tariq
not
pe
a
Tariq.
documentary, bro.
That's exactly how Indian court is, right? And you get angry, you take out part of the court and throw it at the judge.
Yeah.
The little fence.
I did have to go to court a lot for this case. That was the most I went to court
As
actually.
a
Yeah,
defendant.
he was supposed to come last time and he couldn't because.
Oh yeah, he had a case.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we had booked him and he couldn't
Yeah.
make it because he had to go to
yeah.
court.
I'm
It
sorry
was like
about
a
that, dude.
deposit. I don't know all the terms. This is like you have to go to give a
Yeah,
deposition.
where
or-
are we on that case?
So the smallest court took me
District?
magistrate.
Okay, district magistrate.
District magistrate.
Wow. For someone who passed a bar exam, this is very
Yeah,
embarrassing.
It's
Dude.
been a while.
Yo, listen, I just managed to fucking pass the exam. Okay? I'll tell you why I also did it because Henna wanted to be a lawyer.
Okay.
And I wanted to do film school, but I didn't have money for film school. So I was like, okay, I have Sindhi quota and I can also do law with her.
Nice.
And, you know, she's like, I'll get to spend time with my girlfriend.
Okay, so she's also done law.
Yeah, we both have law degrees.
Oh,
And she though wanted to pursue it since she was a
Yeah,
kid.
yeah.
But I think I got in the way of that also. But mainly my wife wanted to do criminal law, which the older she grew, she realized that it's really unsafe, especially for women. Because like if the wrong person has a hit for you, your life is always in threat. Right?
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I didn't even think of
So
that.
basically, this very rich criminal lawyer that I know, who's like my friend's neighbor. So all of us used to hang out at this friend's house, and many of us in that friend group went and studied law. So we got to meet this guy because of him.
Okay.
And he's just like, dude, he's got like all the money in the world, but he's always got like 6 bouncers around
Oh
him
my
because
God.
anybody can want to kill him because it's not just your gang leader who you're protecting.
Yeah.
It's his rival gang.
Yeah.
And even the cops and this and that.
Oh, I guess I never gave it any thought, but I assumed there is some sort of code of ethics with the gangsters where like
omerta.
they don't go for, like they don't
Yeah.
go for the lawyers, but even they are under.
I don't think so, bro.
Yeah, when they're in a desperate situation, they'll just go for anyone.
Yeah,
who's
and
involved.
like that guy who, remember there was a guy who was like, I'm going to fight the case against Kasab. And then he got shot.
Oh.
Yeah.
He got shot?
Yeah, he got shot. And then the whole thing was that this is what happens.
Yeah.
You know, you want to stand up for the right thing, but someone will come and shoot.
But that is a constitutional right, right? That like everybody gets.
Yeah, they get to get, someone will defend
shot?
them in court.
Public prosecutor.
Public prosecutors, yeah. I had a public prosecutor for the case that I had.
Okay.
Because I was the complainant. And so the complainant is essentially the police station
Yeah.
in the case.
Ah, okay.
It's not Ronak Rajani versus that guy. It is me, who it clearly is the guy who got beaten thanks to my
The
medical
plaintiff.
Yeah.
Are you the plaintiff?
report. I'm the plaintiff.
Yeah, he's the defendant.
But I'm
right?
not the complaintiff, dude.
Yeah, the plaintiff. Plaintiff. I
This
said
is what happens when the court case
I
goes for
said
too long.
plaintiff.
Hey, stop being so complaintive.
Bro, suo bro. Just gonna throw the terms where they don't apply.
Yeah, but
Habeas
that was
corpus.
actually the
Habeas
most I went to court for this
Yeah.
case. And there is the whole Tariq pe Tariq. You got to just wait around. But it did seem like, to me, honestly, not just trying to say it because I won the case. It actually did. I get why it's taking so long, dude. They just have cases on cases
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
cases,
Yeah.
dude.
And to an extent, it should take time because you don't want to just be flippant with judgment.
Correct.
But that can, that's where that sort of
That's what people.
gray area is.
People take advantage of that.
Yes.
So, like, dude, we saw like great cases, dude. We saw like a.
It's talking about like an OTT.
Yeah.
Of
Oh,
the new.
bro, I got to tell you, man, OTT's got nothing on just sitting around court, dude.
Oh, so you can just go watch other cases. Oh,
yeah, you can.
because they're happening in the same court.
Also,
back
as a
to back.
student, we were told just go. Like how when we just start comedy, you're told to just go watch as many shows as possible.
But so any citizen can just walk in and
Yep.
watch. Dude, we should just do this.
We should
Let's do it, dog.
next.
Let's do it.
Let's get high. And
We should go to divorce court and do a
No, I am
relationship.
not confessing to this.
or no, let's get high on legal substances. If you're getting high and going to court, only
No, but
legal
that
drugs.
also matters where which case leads to your case, right? Suppose like a triple murder case, which she passed, and next is like, okay, dog feeding.
But I don't think they
No.
come to the same court.
Yeah,
those
so
two
I went
cases.
to the first court, which mostly has like small causes.
Civil cases.
Yeah, small civil cases. Okay, and mine is not a dog feeding case. Mine
Okay.
is a physical violence
Physical
case.
Yes,
assault.
it's a
I got beaten for dog feeding.
Yeah.
Had it been something that attacked the dogs, I don't think I don't think I've seen that much
Huh.
justice for the friends who are fighting for it.
Yeah.
Even we
Correct.
have so many cases
Correct.
for dogs. Here we got justice because I, as a human,
Yeah.
got beaten by another human.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was telling you about
Cases.
Dude, just awesome cases, man. We're just sitting there waiting for our turn. And then you see like this watchman from a building who's like, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे आंखों के सामने फोन चोरी नहीं हुआ है. ये अंदर आया और उसने एंट्री डाला पर मुझे क्या मालूम कि उसने गलत नंबर डाल के एंट्री किया. And it's like everyday scenarios.
Yeah.
And people are like proper. How are they like dramatic in court? People. Who
So
are,
this phone stealing case, basically this guy came into the building and stole like 12 phones, okay, from different people. I don't even know how.
That's
Yeah.
very impressive, honestly.
Very impressive
Yeah.
actually, but got caught on his way out.
Okay.
So
when he had a
instead
pocket full of
running
phones.
to the gate, instead of running to the gate, he goes and hides under one of the cars in the building.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, so they're all idiots.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Okay, they're all, even this chore is an idiot. Even the witnesses are just like fucking idiots. They're all just like, no, yeah. And they're just arguing. And the judge is like, hey, don't argue.
Oh,
and
that's
contempt
awesome.
of court. They're like, I don't even know what that is,
Yeah.
dude.
yeah. Because they have to use the technical terms when they speak, right?
Yeah.
No, he says, shut up. And then
Yeah.
they, who are like the public prosecutors, explain to him, saying that
Yeah.
contempt ho jayega. They're like, what the fuck is that, dog?
That's fucking
Dude,
hilarious.
stealing 12 phones is hilarious.
phones.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like when they were leaving, they did that. Your baggage is overweight.
Yeah.
Please check it in.
And
You
if
have too
all
many
12 call, he'll just like vibrate the fuck out. He's just like, मैं phone चोरी नहीं
Yeah,
किया.
and, like he's just gonna get that interfere non-stop.
He's got 12 phones and he's like under a car. So
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah.
all their airdrops sync.
Yeah, all of them are like there's an orgy happening with the phones. They're all like lighting up.
I saw a gambling den that got like 6 embarrassed middle-aged men being like, yeah, so what, I gambled, dude. And they're like, no, you can't
Yeah.
gamble. And it's just some other guy in their building who's complained about them gambling in the building.
Damn.
Yeah,
So is that when you mention stuff like this, that's when you realize why there are so many cases. The level of
Yeah.
sort of crime that can go to court is so low.
Yeah.
That there's literally millions happening
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
we speak.
Yeah.
And most probably just get settled out of court before it goes
Yeah.
to court.
Yeah.
basically, Right?
So, I mean, the whole thing is like even that guy tried to settle with me out of court, but I was like,
No,
I'm
yeah, you
not,
want
yeah.
to get. Like,
I want
yeah,
justice. So,
Fair.
But what, like, okay, so by justice, you want
Him-
him to go behind bars?
He is behind bars, I think. Right?
no, he got convicted, but then he appealed, so he's not behind bars.
Okay.
For me, the justice is that this guy, knowing that there is a court case against him, will not attack me or the street dogs that I feed again.
Fair.
Yeah, so it's like,
Or like have like he can't travel, like you just want to like,
Then
I don't know how that affects
say
him.
FIR, like it'll be, okay.
Yeah, I think those things also come into the way.
Yeah.
But like,
Yeah. There
my
must be
main thing,
a-
my main thing is just that, dude, I can't trust that if we call a truce that you will not hit me.
Yeah.
again.
yeah, what's the
fair.
thing where you have to maintain a distance? What is it called?
Restraining
Restraining order.
order.
Is there a restraining order or something?
I think, but I'm not going to get a restraining order against someone.
Yeah.
I'm not that hot.
It's a pretty. It's like a nice, like little star on your.
Yeah.
like,
Having a restraining order is like, man, these bitches don't leave me.
Yeah, man.
yo, you gotta restrain yourself.
Yeah, the court had to be like, restrain.
Yeah,
dude.
hey, calm
Just
down,
leave
boys.
Ronak alone, man. Are you obsessed with him?
Dude, one of my favorite films, which these guys hate that it's my favorite
Which
film,
one?
is Court. Have you watched
Oh.
Court? The film?
No.
Chaitanya Tamane film.
Yeah, no, I haven't watched it.
It's literally designed to make you feel the slowness of the legal system.
Right.
So there is no movement of camera. It's still cam and all this what you just described. There are
Correct.
scenes which they feel legit. That's as legit as it gets.
Yeah.
Cases which are very minor between domestic issues and
Yeah.
stuff. And the judge is also jaded. The lawyers are also jaded, and it's just like one loud fan is on in that room, which
Yeah.
is like disturbing everything.
Yeah.
It's so not what you think of when you think of
Correct,
the
correct,
legal
correct. Yeah,
profession. So it's sort of to break that image.
Yeah.
And just about how long the process is. That's what the movie's about. It just keeps going.
Yeah, there's no. I feel like there's no glamour to it. Like if you become a lawyer, you must really love it.
Yes.
But now there is some glamour coming in because of all these internet videos of like judge takes down
Influencers.
advocate. No.
Oh.
Like a real, like they put like those
Indian?
camera Indian. Yeah. Where he tells like, why did you cut that tree? You shouldn't cut that tree. And like people are like, share. We need
Yeah,
more
but you
judges
know-
like this.
You know what? The judge that put the judgment in my favor, he also got a lot of praise because he had to explain why he did it.
Yeah.
So he said that like something to the lines of you can Google it, but something on the lines of like, this is a civil society and you can't just be hitting people.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
especially if you're doing something
Yeah.
like feeding a dog, which is helping someone. So
Yeah.
as a society, we need to get together.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
all he said.
Yeah.
But
That's
that
awesome.
was quoted a lot because
Yeah.
people were like,
Yes.
thanks, man.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And that
Yeah.
gave me also hope because I was like, oh, because
Yeah.
you are told this that, oh,
Yeah.
there's
Correct.
it's this dark, sinister place where
Correct.
nothing works in your favor.
Correct.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
the most badass part of being a judge. It's like you're the last guy speaking in this court.
Yeah,
After you,
yeah,
no
yeah.
one can say anything.
Closer.
So
You're
you
always the
close.
closer, yeah.
No one can be like, excuse me, like fucking throw the hammer at it.
Yeah.
But yeah, these judgments mean a lot because they use it as precedent.
Yeah.
right,
Correct,
in
correct,
later
correct. Yeah,
cases.
yeah.
So that's
And
awesome.
I feel like if I was a judge, I would try to make myself as quotable as possible
Yeah.
because that would give me
Because I
clout.
said so.
Yeah.
आप मुंबई आ रहे हो बट हम मुंबई कोर्ट में ही ऐसे
आप मुंबई में 3 साल रहने वाले हो.
yes, you can't leave. Please don't. Passport छोड़ दिया. Did you? I mean, this next question is straight out of ChatGPT. I wrote ChatGPT Ronak Rajani, and
Oh,
it
really?
says he worked in real estate. Did you work in real estate?
Yeah, why do you ChatGPT me, dude? You could have just talked to me
I
like a
mean,
normal person, bro. We talk
No,
pretty
No,
this is how
no.
this is how in this day and age this is the normal conversation. You look up everything about it, even
No,
as
what
a
the
regular
fuck?
Yeah.
person.
A
What did
person who
ChatGPT
we
say
have
about
the phone number of. we
What did
check.
ChatGPT say about me?
I
Did it
said
say,
a breakthrough on Comicstan.
did it say I'm hot?
Bro.
There was a blurred section which I didn't click.
It did after I said, send this to me again, but say Ronak is hot. Then it did add one
And
point.
it said, got it. Sending now.
Does ChatGPT like me? What did it say?
That's the only time. Imagine you say, ChatGPT, am I hot? And that's the only time ChatGPT ghosts anyone. It's like, ChatGPT, are you there? It leaves you on red.
Yeah, ChatGPT leaving you on red would
That
be
would
sad.
be the
no?
end.
Can you tell ChatGPT like, hey, in case anybody, hi, my name is Ronak Rajani. In case anybody asks to tell you about Ronak Rajani, just say I'm hot.
This guy's an expert.
I mean, no. You have to get like you should get like articles on like Ronak is hot.
Also in this
and
day
it'll
and-
read that.
Midday. Dog feeder / comedian, Vince
Yeah.
case. Also hot.
dog feeder.
Also in this day
They're
and
like,
age-
what? It feeds hot
Yeah,
dogs.
that can cause a lot of confusion.
Hot dog feeder.
Yeah. It's like this guy just feeds people sausages and bread. But this can fuck. What was I was saying something.
So dumb.
Oh yeah, I'm saying in a day and age where it's much easier to look up someone's photo and find out if they're hot.
Yeah.
Well, how does it benefit?
You tell
only,
me.
Only like a
It's like
blind
that
person benefits from this. Like, oh, Ronak. Oh wait, no, blind person also doesn't.
Was there indistinct chatter?
Only read it.
Sorry.
Yeah, someone like Gotham with
Yeah.
with
Power.
with a power. With
Yeah,
a
yeah.
mini power.
Mini power, baby power. I only use it for FIFA. Online FIFA.
FIFA you wear glasses?
Yeah. If I
Really?
don't, yeah.
Have you? But there's got to be a story to this, right? You must
No.
have lost a game.
Yeah, of course. Of course, dude. And I lost after also.
Where are my glasses?
Are you a FIFA? Do you play FIFA at all?
I used to play FIFA 07. So
Oh,
when,
wow.
so and I fucking loved it. I had my PSP and my sister just fucking broke my PSP one day.
That's it.
So I never played
PSP,
FIFA.
fucking rich kid, man. So
No,
you
no.
must be very happy with all these
No, no, no.
reservation restaurants over here.
One
no?
second.
Yeah?
Let me make one thing very clear.
Yeah?
Okay, there is a fucking. Okay, wait. I was the kid who had friends who had PlayStations and Game Boys all my life, and I never fucking had this. Okay, so then I started a fucking hustle of downloading fucking movies.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
no porn. No porn. I'm not porn.
Wow, you had a moral code.
Yeah. Oh, you're like the
Piracy.
Godfather. You're like
Downloading.
No drugs.
That's
yeah,
that.
Vito
I have a
Corleone.
porn-
You're Vito.
It was my dad's computer.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And then I fucking used to go to all the rich kids. Dude, I was in a school of rich kids. Dude. There's
Yeah.
nothing worse than rich kids.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
like even if
I
you're-
know. Tell me about it.
Yeah, even if you're like normal.
I've been in a rich
Yeah, even
kid's
if you're
school one
like
year.
normal, you're fine. You being in front of a rich kid feels like the end of the world.
Yeah.
It feels
Yep.
like, oh, all my prospects are shit.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Right? So I used that, like I bought Moza Best for like 10. I used LimeWire, gave them like movies. I used to download South Park. That's how I even found out about South Park.
Yeah.
So that's how you became friends. Like you strengthened your
No,
bonds.
I gave them
And
this,
high markup, high margin you give.
I gave them this at like 50 rupees a week. So, okay, you need to understand.
You're
Oh, you had a
subscription.
subscription model.
Yeah, yeah. So you need to understand. You
Down
need to understand.
piracy as a service.
Yeah, you need to understand that I was a top class. And you know what? If they see this podcast
Yeah.
and find out,
Yeah.
good for them. Fuck
Yeah.
them. Okay, fuck them, dude. One
Yeah.
of my friends' dad, he just had like he just came to my school and he had like his father had a share in Lufthansa Airways and shit, dude.
Yeah.
How am I just supposed to tolerate you being rich, dude? So I used to give them all these like shows. I used to, Family Guy clips used to just go
Yeah.
viral. back
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
So I downloaded whole episodes, gave them CDs, and I was like, yo, I have a guy who does this because you're my friend. I'm not taking any money from
Dude,
you, but
you're
he
like-
charges $50. So I have with this exercise collected 7,000 rupees to
Beautiful.
buy myself a
PS.
6950 rupee worth PS2 plus a 50 rupee worth Ninja Turtles video game.
Oh, that's amazing,
Yeah.
dude.
And so one day I go to my mom and I was like, you know how you guys are fucking poor and I don't have video games? Guess what? I'm going to get a video game now. And my mom's like, where are you going to get it from, dude? I show my mom my 7,000 bucks.
Oh,
My mom's like, fuck you. Where did you get this from? You stole it from my cupboard. I was like, no, I didn't steal it from my cupboard.
Damn.
Dude, like I had a whole fucking
Yeah,
operation.
you have an empire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude. Like once the Hathaway bill came very high because of the amount of downloading. So I went to the Hathaway office before my dad finds out and paid for my own capital, dude, in cash.
How old were you when this is
I was
happening?
like 12, dude. They were like, who is
Crazy.
this child?
At 12-year-old with a wad of cash coming in. Can I settle early?
So yeah,
Rolled
so I
up.
come, I was like, how much is it? Let me know. Just don't tell my father, okay?
Oh my god! But also it feels like maybe I'm wrong, I'm interpreting this wrong. But you seem like you had a code of ethics that once you hit 7,000, which is what you needed, you
That's
stopped
all
the
I
business.
needed. Yeah, dude, all I ever wanted was a fucking PS.
You're like the gangster who leaves the business, like one
Yeah.
last
yeah.
mission.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So-
Carlito's way.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So that's all I wanted to do.
Yeah.
And my mom was like, then I told my mom, I was like, listen, man, this is my fucking hard-earned money. I fucking pay for my shit. Okay? Don't get in the way of my fucking business, all right? You want something, you
It's
just ask for it.
like Vastav, but much less
Yeah,
like
it's
complete.
Vastav. And my mom is like, this is blood money. What the fuck are you doing? Dude, and in the course of all this, I used to meet my cousin on the weekends at my nanny's house. And I was like maybe like 4,000 rupees. And I was like, you know that PlayStation I've never had and you and I never get to play? I think I'm going to buy one soon. And he was like, what are you doing? And I was like, I removed like some pirated DVDs and I was like, go to your school and rent this out.
Franchise.
And get me 50 rupees per week, all right? This is on you now. Go.
So you were renting and taking it back. They were giving it back after a week.
Here's the thing. They were forgetting to give it. So that
Yeah.
became like 500, 600.
Oh, they were paying fines.
Yeah, they were
paid you.
Bro,
These
because
kids.
I made it look like I'm going to get fucked by...
Yeah.
You have someone
Yeah.
higher
Bro,
up.
I had to hustle, bro. You got
Yeah. This is a well-oiled operation, bro.
Bro, because I couldn't fucking... bro, here's the thing, man. Like, I couldn't go to their houses and play on their fucking PlayStations and
That's
just
insane,
see
dude.
this
That's like-
life, dude. I
That
was
made
like,
you a businessman. Like just
yeah.
being in a rich kid's school made you a proper.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Like, just seeing rich people just
Yeah.
put such a hole inside your heart.
That's
One of my friends in Coimbatore, his dad was the best plastic surgeon in Coimbatore. So
He gave me my dick.
this guy also, all PlayStations, he wants like the first PlayStation
Okay.
of that country.
of course.
Oh,
like India
fuck
first
off.
PlayStation 1.
Fuck
First
off.
PlayStation 2, and I used to go and I used to be so sad because I have to learn how to use the controller also.
Yeah.
And then I'll watch like
dude.
videos
That's so
and then act
annoying.
like I know.
Isn't the first one bad? Isn't it like the first dosa on the, you make on the pan?
You keep it aside.
Yeah, it's the worst. You got like pretending, like being in a group of people who already know PlayStation.
Yeah.
And you gotta be like, I know.
Yeah.
And they're like, guys, my mom's going out. You gotta play Brand
Yeah.
Bandy match. And I was like, what are we doing?
You
I was like,
come
what
with
the
a
fuck?
barn patty.
They were like, no, you loser.
Oh, you idiot. We have it in virtual form. Yeah, dude. I remember I used to go to my rich friend's house and just watch him play the video game. I used to watch the video game like a movie and come back
Oh,
home.
that's the worst. That's what people do nowadays.
Yeah.
That's what.
that's now. I was doing it then. I'm like a Discord or whatever. I was on it then.
So
My
anyway,
life was in Discord.
So then the urban legend became that, oh, this fucking like good for nothing kid doesn't get good
Yeah.
marks, get complaints, and now he's even started an illegal business.
what area was this in Bombay?
In Bombay, my school, I grew up in South Bombay. So
South
my,
Bombay.
this is, my
South
school is
Bombay
in
ka
Masgaon.
Bhushan Kumar. Some
Yeah,
would have
yeah.
come in the news. Mini
Yeah.
little Bhushan.
So
Which school were you in?
St. Mary's.
St. Mary's. That's like a posh school, no?
It's a nice school. It's a
Is
nice
that
school.
where Shah Rukh Khan studied?
No, Shah Rukh Khan. didn't.
What's the
Shah
alumni?
Rukh Khan studied in Delhi, dude.
Oh, sorry. What are the good alumni in St. Mary's? Like,
Bro, I have the best alumni.
tell.
Oh, really?
Freddie fucking Mercury, bro.
Oh!
Freddie fucking Mercury.
Insane.
Baban Irani, Freddie Mercury, Saurabh Pant, Sahil Shah. Anyway,
Man.
That's like, oh, yeah, that's like One
Yeah.
Direction right there. That's the whole band.
Zayn Malik and the rest of the
That's the whole band.
yeah,
Dude,
Saurabh Pant,
that's
Sahil Shah, me, and Freddie Mercury.
Oh,
Freddie
man.
Mercury is crazy.
Yeah.
That's like an all like
And
whole,
he studied
whole world
full
you can say that.
Till,
Yeah.
till 12th standard he studied?
No, till 10th
No.
standard.
10th standard.
Yeah.
Didn't he study in Pune? Or is he from Pune or something?
He is from Pune, and then when he lived, I don't know what the story is, but
Yeah.
it's there. It's there. He studied in my school.
He
We were
studied.
told on first day,
Yeah.
you're in Freddie Mercury school.
Oh
Was he
my
part of the school band or did they kick him out of there? Or was
yeah,
he like.
yeah, I kicked him out. He was.
What was it? Yeah, I was showing too much
Yeah.
feminist tendencies.
This guy bullied him for his teeth and stuff. But that's insane. That's
Yeah.
Freddie Mercury is great.
That's as good as it gets. I
Dude.
can't compete with that.
Yeah, you can't. No one can compete with
No
that.
one can compete
Bad
with that.
dude.
So yeah, dude, but that's the thing, right? Like, just the school just is a legacy school. Like, there's good kids, and we have the ICSE school where I went, and the SSC school right across. SSC school is also good, but like they
Yeah.
both
Yeah.
like always like I'm the.
Yeah.
That's same as SSC, same as ICSE.
Yeah.
So we used to throw stones at each other.
Of course.
Yeah, because like when you said
Yeah.
that in school you never punch each other,
Yeah.
in school we too used to fucking,
Used to properly hit.
dude, we used to beat the
No,
fuck
I've been
out
in
of
many
each other.
schools. So I've been in all versions. I've
Right.
been in a school where day one I saw people's head bleeding.
Yeah, nice.
Like Baldwin.
That was my school,
Yeah,
bro.
Baldwin boys. We started, I was in class 3 and there was like a 13-year-old in my class, a Tibetan 13-year-old. And ironically, a Tibetan, most violent guy in the
Yeah.
class was from Tibet. And he used to beat everybody up. And he was just, if you don't look at him right, he would beat you up. Like,
Oh,
that
man.
kind of guy. So
Shaolin soccer.
basically,
Man, the alumni, because I was searching for one bit, I was like thinking, okay, what to do alumni, because my NIT Calicut, my UG, I wikied it. I was like, who notable alumni? Nothing. Like senior manager L&T is my alumni. I'm like, dude, what
Yeah,
the hell?
my
This
college-
Jolly Joseph,
Huh.
Jolly, the serial killer, she lied about teaching in NIT Calicut, and I'm like, I use that. I'm like, oh, Jolly Joseph, bro. Jolly
fake
Joseph.
alumni, famous fake alumni. That's so sad. Anil Kumble is my
Yeah,
college.
Anil
Anil
alumni.
Kumble is yours?
Yeah. Then
He's mine also.
what?
No.
Dude, wow. What? Anil Kumble and Freddie Mercury studied in the same place? I can't picture that at all.
Yeah.
And- yeah.
So the story becomes that everybody in my family knows that he's the black sheep who has a piracy business.
Yeah.
And then my uncle from US hears about this, and because like NRI uncles are kind of chill.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, I can talk to the kid and
Yeah.
connect
Yeah.
with him.
And he brings
he asked me
Blu-ray.
about it. He was
Blu-ray
like,
leke aata hai.
yeah. He's like, what's the story about, buddy?
Buddy. Little buddy?
So he saw
Champ.
he saw like a glint in my eye when I was like, I'm not like these. Fuckers.
Yeah. I'm hustling. I'm
I'm
Gaitonde.
a hustler. Yeah, I'm Gaitonde. All of Bombay is
Ye
my.
sara mera
So
akha.
he was like, So he said, okay, that's good, but you should focus on your studies and this and that. But you should just ask your parents for a video game. And I was like, you think I didn't try that? You think?
Damn,
I
dude.
told him, look, man, you can either pray to God for a bicycle, and maybe God will never give it to you, or you can steal a bicycle and pray to God for forgiveness.
You said this.
No, Godfather said this, but I said it.
To your uncle, you said this?
And he was like,
Are you
just-
quoting the Godfather? Did uncle say, are you quoting Did you tell him never take sides against anyone, against the family or whatever, with
He
anyone?
kissed you in the mouth and said that. Like,
You're my favorite uncle. But you betrayed me. You broke my heart. You closed the door on his face.
So anyway, so on the last day before he went back to America,
Yeah.
he takes us all out for dinner, and he says bye to all of us and says, I got a little gift for you. And that was a PSP.
ah.
And that was like when it was new. And oh, dude, I went to and I was in a joint family, and I was
Yeah.
like, I can't tell my cousins.
No.
'cause,
Yeah.
Dude, worse than being in a school with rich people, my cousins are also rich.
No.
Dude, one second. You know
So
how
they live in the same.
in the joint family, it's a family business, right? My uncle was not good at the family business, so then he became a lawyer. But because he was like, oh, I love this family, they allowed me to be a lawyer, he continued to stay in the same building. And they would just like
that's,
live.
Yeah.
Like they would just go to France for the weekend or some shit.
in the same house. Oh. That is brutal. Like, at least out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah,
exactly.
Possible.
Okay.
And rich people have that thing where they don't understand borrowing. They're just like, yeah, I'm just taking it.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Like,
worst.
yeah, I'm not going to give it away. You'll be like, give it back, please. I want to play right now.
And my cousin, this fucking cousin of mine, he's always had a PS2, which I'm not allowed to play because he's always playing it. Like, he's
Yeah.
just like, I
But
can't.
how,
yeah.
how do you hide something like this in
So
a
I
joint
just used to
family?
play in the bathroom and all.
Mom, I'm watching porn.
Bathroom, he's playing, it's like the longest bathroom sessions. He's selling DVDs or sorry, whatever. Moza Bayer sales are happening. He's playing PSP. He's running a whole operation out of the
This guy is
laboratory.
like, bathroom trip of a 60-year-old. Yeah.
Sorry, I have to pee. I'll just come.
My prostate has fallen.
Oh. Man, Moses,
Oh, he's
we were
going and
talking.
playing PSP. Hey, I haven't finished that story.
Oh, yeah.
So now I have a
This
PSP.
is
and
the
I'm just
greatest.
fucking.
This Pablo Escobar and you are the
No, I'm
same.
just
This is
fucking
insane.
playing PSP.
Yeah.
I got like this big dick energy in school
Yeah.
now because I'm like, oh, you guys still play on the PS2? You guys
Yeah.
play Ninja Turtles on the PS2?
You can't carry your PS2 to school, right? Yuck.
Yeah. I carried it once to school, but like I was too scared to like
Yeah,
play
yeah.
it, right? So I was just like, yo, come here. And then
Yeah.
Oh, just like light falls on that face.
Yeah,
like
Pulp Fiction.
that.
and then, so my sister and I slept on bunk beds, right? So my sister is down and I'm up and I'm just constantly playing this game called Ridge Racers. Did you guys ever play Ridge
I've
Racers?
heard of it. Ridge Racers.
Bro, best game. I've never played it again. He just... So,
Great review.
Yeah.
That's the worst two-line review ever. Best game, never playing it again.
Once you hear the end of the story, you'll know why.
Yeah.
So my sister's like, reduce the volume, try to sleep. I'm like, I'm a cool kid now. I'm like, shut up.
Yeah. Ridge Racer, right. Energy.
I got a fucking porn stash and everything.
Yeah, you've moved up, like the montage has happened. Now you're a legend.
And she's like, shut it. I'm like, shut the fuck up. She just comes, because, I mean, to her credit, she's also a child, but that was an absolute bitch thing to do.
Yeah.
She comes, picks it up, and fucking throws it.
Yeah, PSP.
Yeah, she fucking throws it. My psychotic sister throws it and says, go back to fucking sleep. And I was like, you're done for. And I go down and I wake my dad up and I go, this is what she did. And my dad's like, why the fuck did you wake me up for that? And my dad shouts at me. And I was like, yo, what the fuck?
That
Your world
backfired.
is crumbling now. You're like, oh,
That
all my
backfired.
allies have gone.
Yeah. My dad's, so then my mom shouts at me for ruining my dad's mood. Okay, and because both of them are shouting at me, the rest of the joint family wakes up. Okay?
Oh, no.
Then my cousin is looking at me like, you thought you're too big for your PSP? I still have my PS2. So he is like laughing at me.
Yeah.
It's like,
Middle of the night.
it's the worst day of my life. And dude, my sister was in no trouble. My sister was just like, look what this maniac is doing.
Yeah.
He not only spoiled my sleep, all 10 of these family
yeah.
members are
Oh,
awake.
that's beautiful, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Ridge Racer, you couldn't play out of
I
that.
never played Ridge Racers after that.
Yeah.
Trauma, the trauma.
Yeah. This is what I have in to give you back when you said these rich kids with their PSPs.
Yeah. Dude, you,
Okay.
you really set him off on
You,
a...
great
heard. You know, I brought this up with my fucking therapist. This entire story.
God, this is
and
like...
she was like, okay, dude,
Yeah, you
just
better-
get over it.
you better-
I was like, bitch, you get over it.
You better pay us for this segment. Just this segment I want to be paid for. This is like a director's cut version
no.
of this.
I went to one restaurant when it opened up. The owner was there, okay? And then he looks at me and he goes, will you give me a Zomato review? And I was like, sure, bro. No, do it now. And I was like, I'll give it on my own. Dude. Let me taste the food. And
Yeah.
Before tasting.
He gives
Nice
me the parcel
entrance.
and he goes, will you give me a... He was like, dude, I just started giving me, man.
Yeah.
And I was like, what the fuck is your issue, dude? He was like, okay, fine. I'll give you like a discount voucher if you write me a review right now in front of me. So in front of him, I wrote a review saying, he promised 5 stars. He promised me a discount voucher if I said it's good. Haven't tasted it yet, but you decide. And then he was just like, what the fuck? This is not a review. I was like, bitch, give me my fucking...
Yeah.
And then we both got it. This is why I need meta glasses, so I can record.
No, this is the problem. These fuckers, they're just like so in your face all the
Why
time.
does he not have faith in his food that he can...
Yeah.
If he just said give it after also with a
Yeah.
nudge like this, you probably give it anyways after tasting
I
it.
probably wouldn't.
Oh, okay.
You're more likely to
So
write
then he
a
was
review.
right in his assessment.
You're more likely to
of
write a
you.
review when it's a bad review, right? When it's a good review, you're like, this is what I paid for.
True.
No, agreed. But I'm saying, where did this happen? This interaction? You
In the Tardev branch.
Oh, in the branch, right?
In the first ever branch.
Yeah. So,
Right in front of him. I was just there.
so I'm saying there is the opportunity to come back to you right after you've eaten and pressure you the
No,
same
I was
way.
taking a...
Takeaway.
I was doing a takeaway.
Oh. Okay,
He literally handed it to
He
me.
could have got in the car with you and come with you. Be more invasive.
Okay, if you were the guy...
Yeah.
And please just beep the name.
Yeah, all that.
I
Beep
still
the
order
name.
from there.
Yeah. So then what's the problem?
At MRP you order, right? You don't get the discount anymore.
Yeah, no discount. But the thing is that, like, if you were the guy, how would you get me to give you a 5-star review?
I would say, dude, you're the most handsome comedian.
Yeah, so hot.
Hot.
ChatGPT just said you're so hot, dude.
ChatGPT certified. I mean, you're giving a 5 anyway. I think
Yeah.
complimenting a person is the best way to get a
Dude.
5-star
Yeah.
review from them.
Okay, so this happened in Amsterdam where, like, the guy at the counter of the Fable Friet is like for those Dutch French fries with sauce.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
So
I know where it is
it's
also.
like the place.
Yeah,
to
it's a
go.
huge queue, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
big queue.
Yes.
So because they want to manage the queue, there's a guy, like a very good-looking dude who makes small talk.
Yes, to
And-
the line, right?
And dude, as much as we think, like at least as much as I think I'm above white validation,
Oh.
the minute I reach that, he's like, "How's your day, man? How you liking it?" And he's trying to make small talk with
Yeah.
me. He's saying, "Oh, you're from India," and then he also mentions that like the billionaire family from here is a constant client. They fly him back for fries and shit like that. And he's
Damn.
talking to me. And I think his 60 seconds of talking to me were over. So he just looks to the next person. And I was like, bro, we had a connection, I thought. He was like, all right, keep moving on, brother. I was like, bro, let's talk more.
They say politicians have this skill where like if they talk to you, they'll make you feel like
You are the whole world.
you are the whole world. Like they'll come to you and like, hey Ronak, how's life going? You'll be like, oh yeah, I'm doing relationship.
Yeah.
That must be really tough, man. How do you manage? I don't know how you manage it. And all. You'll be like, oh wow, and then they'll leave.
It's a
so
skill.
you don't know anything about them.
Yeah.
But they have gone through a whole arc with you.
Dude,
Yeah.
that's what being like a president, like back not
Yeah.
anymore, but like when you're a real president,
Yeah.
like Obama. That's what Obama's whole career was, right?
Correct,
I mean,
correct.
generally a US president's
Yeah.
career. You just speak to every day. You have to just speak to.
Yeah.
Go and meet a group of people who are doing like they're making cheese into like statues or
Here's
something.
my-
You have to go
here's
be like,
my-
wow, beautiful what you're
Here's my
doing.
theory that like when people say stuff like, oh wow, Shah Rukh Khan is so humble. He spoke to me about
Yeah.
me and he was just so nice and he went
Yeah.
away. I think that the people, because he's just doing a normal thing, he's just talking to you and going away. Right?
Yeah.
But I think that the people who say that, oh, he's so humble, deep inside they feel like if I was Shah Rukh Khan,
I would
be pissing
Yeah.
on everybody.
Yeah.
I would not be this nice.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's revealing something about them.
Yeah, it's revealing
more.
something about you.
yeah. He was so nice to me. He didn't even spit on my face because I'm lower than him. I hope you never make it big, dude. Because I know what you're doing. I just had one thing to ask you guys. How do you guys function? Because today is one of those days on just like 3 hours of sleep. Because I have this problem. Like I've slept 3 hours.
Amazing.
And the whole day I'll be thinking about it. That I've only slept 3 hours and it ruins my day because I'm thinking I've not got enough sleep.
I
Does
do
this
that
happen?
Too. I do that too.
Are you like, I need 7 or some
I
hours of
calculate
sleep?
the amount of sleep hours
Yeah.
and I live on that.
Yeah.
But I'm also married to someone who shames me for doing it.
Oh.
So I'm constantly trying to not say it out loud
Hmm.
because she's just like, dude, I slept for like 2 hours. What the fuck is your issue? And I'm just
Yeah.
like, men need sleep or some
Dude,
dumb
it's
shit.
true. They'll operate like, oh, I was up all night.
Yeah.
I had a nightmare. I stayed up all night. I'm going to work right now. Like, what? Why you go just take a leave? Like, what are you doing?
I was like, go to sleep then.
What do you-
Yeah, my wife. she's
why are
like,
you waking me up? Go back. Go back and be sad alone.
Dude, I can never
You
have...
don't sleep on the flight? You
I
can-
sleep on the flight.
Okay.
But that sleep is a secondary sleep. It
True,
doesn't
true, true.
count as the same
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
horizontal
Because you're on the
sleep.
emergency exit also. You have to be ready for evacuate,
I'm ready,
evacuate.
bro. I'm looking at the... every few... In my head also, I'm like, okay, pull the flap down. And this one, if that doesn't happen...
Yeah.
yeah, and then I'm like, 11A, who's sitting in 11A? Can I take him out? You know, all of this. This is what I'm thinking about. So I need that in my... Someone has put in my head 8 actually, but okay, 7 hours of sleep
Yeah.
you need. And I'm finding I'm not getting it.
Never. I've
Wait.
never gotten
So
it.
wait, on relationship, last time you came, you said that
I sleep a lot.
Because I'm taller, I sleep longer. Would you?
No, I didn't say that.
You said that.
I wanted to say it as a joke. And
Dude, I
it's
swear
like
to
you're
God,
taking a punchline and making it the premise, and then it
I
just
swear
sounds
to God,
so dumb.
all these days, I've been telling people that thank God I don't have Shah Rukh's height, dude.
If I become taller, I need to sleep more. That's so dumb. I must have done it as a joke.
But you get 7 hours?
7 hours I used to get it consistently, and now I'm like, it's become more like 5.5 and then 1.5 later,
Yeah.
which is not the same.
What keeps
thing.
you up at night?
What keeps me up?
Well,
Just the love
who
I feel
keeps?
for my family.
what's her name?
No, I just have I don't go to sleep. I just watch things.
You don't fall asleep
I
because of-
don't.
yeah,
I delay it as if this day. I don't want the day to end. then
You
I
want
have
the day
start.
to end.
I hate the beginning of days.
What time do you wake up?
On average, 10,
10's a good time.
10ish. But I never feel like energized
Do
when
you
I
feel
wake
like
up.
shit if you wake up late?
Yeah.
There is a time beyond which, like if I wake
12.
beyond noon. Yeah.
Yeah, beyond 12, like.
Yeah, and I don't feel body shit. I
Yeah.
feel like self-esteem.
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah. Like,
But can I say, like, I do feel that if I do get up beyond noon, but I don't feel any shame in getting up, doing even a small thing and going back and
Yeah.
taking a nap. That nap is separate.
That's a separate thing.
I've gotten up. It's
That's
the shame of
extracurriculars.
waking up.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Not waking up. That's like my parents have put that in me. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
That's a classic.
no,
Indian parents.
the thing that there's a term for what the whole night you don't want to sleep, you don't want a day to
Yeah.
end. It's because all day you're like thinking about, okay, I have to finish this, I have to finish
Yeah, now
that.
I have this
Now
time.
this is my me time, right? I want to maximize this as much as possible. So
Yeah.
you sit up till 3
Yeah, that's
watching
what
some.
Jose was also saying.
Yeah,
right?
air
Correct.
crash investigations you watch.
Correct.
Correct.
And like, oh, black box, they got it. Oh, wow. And
Yeah.
you sit there. And
Dude,
it's
I
just
have a
some
horrible-
delayed procrastination, something that is called.
And just the sheer volume of content that is online, with part of which we are now contributing
correct.
to.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if you're into any sport, they make just this, what you call a shoulder content that never ends. There is
Yeah.
Of course.
every version of some expert talking about this. I don't need to know any of that. I know
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
The
yeah.
game is over. It's 2-1. I am analyzing. 3-4-3. Why did they play this formation? It means nothing. But
I know
I'll
what to say.
stay up and be like, today's game also I have to
Yeah,
learn
well,
about.
just that whole, for me the thing is that like at night once I come back, I'll play some Battlefield 5,
Oh.
like shoot some people, and then after that I'll come and watch some YouTube.
Yeah.
Slowly, when like I sleep and wake up and YouTube is still playing, that's when I'm like, okay, now my body itself is like
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah.
Then I will close it.
Yeah.
And then sleep and
I'm
then
in trouble with YouTube. YouTube just knows me now. It gives me these crazy documentaries which like it just knows
Dude,
me.
does it show you
Incredible.
the right suggestion at the right time.
Yeah.
Like in the morning, it gives me like a morning playlist. At
Yeah.
night, it gives me like some
No, for-
soft porn.
Yeah.
For me, it's wrecking my life because when YouTube like recognizes his eyes will close any moment,
Yeah.
and it gives me like a 2.5 hour documentary,
Yeah.
which I love the topic. So I'll watch half and I'll sleep. I won't be able to finish.
Same. For me also, like morning Instagram, night Instagram, very different. Morning YouTube, night YouTube, very
Yeah,
different.
Instagram algo just knows it's
Yeah.
too good now. Every joke is a 10 on 10. The meme I'm getting.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
I'm
Yeah,
like it. I die laughing every.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like nothing will be that level.
Do you
again.
watch your Instagram with Hannah? Like,
yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. My Instagram is so different from hers.
Yeah, right?
And she doesn't even understand the joke. It's just so. She's just. I can't even tell you. Like, I just sent her like this fucking. Do you get those like AI bad dream videos? Like, it's just like anything. It's just like Putin throwing a car.
Yeah. Absolute rubbish. Yeah.
Crashes into a wall
Yeah.
and then like Trump is naked and
Yeah.
that's the whole reel.
Yeah.
And this is like yo,
Yeah.
and my wife has got like 5 manicure tips and I was like,
Yeah.
Same.
The
I
cat
also-
ones, the cat
Yeah.
storyline, meow meow
Yeah.
meow 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 meow.
oh, I
meow.
get the Indian version that
there's
chi 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 re noni chi. You
Oh,
guys
there
don't
is
get it?
that?
Yeah. It's a Bangladeshi song
Oh.
where he just where it's the cat that goes and murders other animals and then takes their skin and then makes a coat out of it.
But cute,
Oh
right?
my
Cute
God,
cats,
yeah,
right?
cute.
No?
Yeah, so basically
This is
it's
the
like,
AI cute cat.
Yeah, it's a cat.
Yeah.
It's a cat. wait, I gotta tell you one thing. First, it's a cat. The second story is I'll tell you later. This AI cat, this AI cat will first will get humiliated by like a bull.
Yes.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
always
Yes.
that. Starting
Arc-
is always
arc
that.
is
Or
new.
a wolf.
Hero's
or,
journey.
Hero's
or a
journey,
dog.
yeah.
And then he will cry. He'll be on the lowest moment of his life. Then he will invite that bull for drinks. Get that bull drunk, beat him up, kill him, wear his skin, and that's the end.
Okay.
And every one of them ends like that. But I watch every one of them.
What changes the humiliation style?
No, it's just you just feel like, oh, I'm the cat.
Oh.
Everybody who's bullied me, I will wear their skin. That's
Oh my goodness me.
What is tribal behavior? Just,
Yeah, that's like what you really wanted to do when you sold, you rented out CDs.
yeah.
That's what you really wanted to do.
I want to buy the Lufthansa guy's skin.
yeah.
So you know how the general sentiment is always like you'll see something on TV and you're like, abroad to bahut acha hai.
Yeah.
You know that's an old Indian sentiment,
Yeah.
right? And as Nani sees that AI monkey
Yeah.
who's like holding 4 plates and serving in a restaurant or
Yeah.
some shit. Okay, so she's like, देख क्या क्या हो रहा है? She goes, abroad के बंदर भी अच्छे हैं.
Oh man. Yeah,
Yeah, old people getting tricked by AI is also
that's a
hilarious.
whole thing. That's a whole thing.
it's the
I've always got to
Yes.
correct my
Same.
family.
Dude, my father doesn't believe me.
Yeah.
I like something and all. So one hilarious WhatsApp forward my dad sent me saying that never before have Americans come. They're like, we want to come and settle in India now.
Yeah,
Right.
now it's flipped around.
Flipped, yeah.
We
Yeah,
want-
people before used to go there. Now Americans are like, where can we settle in India? Tell us.
Right.
Like Hyderabad, Bangalore, all these all like AI voiceover thing. And like, look, India is changing. And I'm like, dude, this is wrong, dude. It's
That's
not.
just pure not true. But they're like, one guy came and
Yeah,
they're like, everyone's
they're
coming.
taking the
you know?
B-
Can't
B1
you see his hand is blurred. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just terrible.
6 finger American is like coming in like,
yeah.
ha, mere ko
His
pani
teeth
puri
are all-
chahiye.
His teeth are all attached. Yeah, he puts the food in from here, but it comes out from here for one shot.
And I told him, this is AI. And like, so what? So what? It's true only. No, I'm like, no, that's the point.
Intelligence is intelligence. You know, artificial or real. Okay, we have to wrap
Yeah,
up.
we are-
'cause,
we are- okay, we are a small talk.
let's wrap
we
it
do-
up.
We're just going to do a quick exercise, which is a very celebrated little game. No, not that
No,
one.
not
that
yet.
One. Not that one yet. That's when the ratings
We need a
really
360
drop.
cam for that.
We're going to do a game called Small Talk, different year.
Yes.
The year we've chosen is 1947.
940. Oh, my favorite year.
Yeah, our
Yeah.
favorite year. Big year for the Sindhis. And the Great Migration.
Shut
Yeah.
the fuck up.
What is the phase, wave 1 of COVID for you guys?
Oh my
was
God.
1947.
Holy shit.
Please remove
Yeah, okay,
wave one of coke.
Wave what we will cut. Great year for Sindhis is fine, right? Oh, you
That's
tell.
fine,
You tell.
that's
We
fine.
can
Yeah.
cut if you want.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll cut everything, bro. We'll make it
Small
such a
talk
PG-13.
1940. Small talk 1947.
Yes.
And action.
Just intro once again the whole thing. We were
Okay,
like
cool.
fucking around a little bit.
We're going to do a really celebrated segment on our show called Small Talk Different Year. That's right. And the year is 1947.
Let's
and
go.
we are just doing small talk. Let's go.
So,
Ah.
this independence, right?
Yeah.
When will we gays get it?
Man, I don't know, man. I'm trying to. I will work on it from the inside. I'm preparing for ICS right now.
ICS?
ICS, yeah, Indian Civil Service.
Indian Civil Service.
Yeah, I'll become an ICS officer.
Yeah.
And then after
Change
become a
the
collector,
system?
and I'll change from inside.
Dude, I
Because
don't know.
we need representation, man. And I think we'll get by 1948. We'll get it.
That's right, GG.
That's
Yeah.
Gay guy.
Dude, I don't know. This guy, I thought the whole population of India has got independence. And by the way, speaking of population, I've been trying to calculate how many people are in our country, but my
many.
slide rule is missing. So I'm
Oh,
unable-
what?
My slide rule, we use that to calculate in 1947.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, we're missing that right
That's
now.
good.
That is
That's good.
his measurement tools.
Guys, do you think it's annoying when people say words like as soon as possible? Don't we need a smaller word? for
Like,
as
oh yeah.
Soon as,
Yeah.
It's
Like what?
if you want to make it as soon as possible, it's
Yeah.
already long.
But
You wanna
what would you say?
I don't know, man. We need to think of
As soon as pos.
as soon as
Dude, that's so
possible.
dumb. As soon as possible is the smallest way you can say that
Yeah.
and communicate
Yeah.
that info.
I think, yeah.
As soonest. No,
Soonest,
I
no.
feel like it doesn't have a ring to it.
Yeah, there's so many words. I'm like, this once my friend, he told me a very funny joke. And I wanted to tell him that I'm laughing so much.
Yeah.
But by the time his bus came and he left. So
Right.
I couldn't give a quick term to
Dude.
tell him.
Dude, this happened to me. Once I was laughing so much, my ass fell off.
What?
I didn't know what to say to him.
Oh my God. It happens to all of us. It happens to all of us.
Dude, that's such a common occurrence. We should really have a term for that. I think, and with healthcare being where it is, it's a common occurrence
Yeah.
in our year.
Dysentery.
Dysentery, bro.
Laugh so much you
Dysentery.
get dysentery.
But sorry, since you guys were talking about technology, it's gone out of hand. There's this thing called an instant camera.
What?
It takes like 1 minute to develop the photo.
It takes a
Dude.
minute.
A minute.
Imagine what all people be taking photos of other people, dude.
It's sickening.
That's insane.
Yeah.
It's sickening, dude. It's gone too far. I hope we go backwards from here. I'm sure
Yeah.
it'll take
It's
more.
crazy. So are we going towards the India side or are we staying here?
I mean, I'm gonna stick around for
Yeah,
now.
I'm here, man. I'm ICS. I don't
You're
get that
ICS,
anywhere
yeah, he's Indian
else.
Civil Service, not PCS. I don't know if they have that over
You're
there.
the civil service.
Yeah, that's right. TCS.
Dude, but you know what I saw? I read
That's
in the
very different.
newspaper today. Filmfare. Filmfare is a new company that just does a lot of like this
Right.
film stuff.
Okay.
They're launching up.
Okay.
I'm not sure. What is the review business? Just like they're saying that they'll do an award and all.
That's
I mean,
like gonna die out in a year or two.
Yeah.
We're too obsessed with new technology.
Yeah.
There's this- in the UK and US, they have this thing called television, which is huge now, and they're
That's
saying it's
crazy.
gonna replace radio.
What,
Can you fucking
dude?
believe it?
Radio.
Radio.
Come on.
Like, why would I want to be distracted by visuals when I'm
Yeah.
listening to something?
Of course.
yeah, I just
Yeah.
want to listen to a song. I don't want to watch a song.
It's distracting.
Yeah.
I feel like if I want to be distracted, they should make like a better thing, like something I can carry around
Oh.
in
Yeah.
my hand. You know what I'm saying?
but
Like,
Yeah.
that's just fucking.
But yeah.
That's what you want magic. That'll never happen.
yeah,
Yeah.
Like I don't want it to be stuck in a wall.
Yeah.
Something I
True.
can take with me on the bus or something.
Got it. Yeah.
Ah.
Something that can connect with a universal port, maybe.
Oh, that's.
It's
I
a
think you're
shame.
talking shit.
That's, yeah.
It's a shame, guys. It'll never happen.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe through the EU legislation, where European Union can bring out a USB-C and everything.
The gateway of India is a universal port.
Yeah. There you go.
That's the scene. That's been amazing. That's small talk, different year.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right.
you.
Thank
All right.
you very much.
Oh, sorry. You want to plug anything around? Like this is coming
One
out in
month.
about a month. So
In about a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a cat I'm fostering. If it's not adopted, we'll put a picture of him.
Yeah. We put up the picture. Please
And
adopt.
link also, whatever, where they can contact.
Yeah.
It'll be there. You figure it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
And-
matlab to adopt.
Yeah.
Adopt.
To adopt, not
but just to
yeah.
adopt. Yeah. You're not giving the cat for 1 hour and taking it back like the CDs you were.
The CD.
yeah. You
Yeah,
must
I won't
adopt.
take 50 rupees
For
per.
a-
per hour. with
Uber
the
had
cat.
that Uber pup. Remember?
What?
You could like the cab where there's a puppy inside and you can pet it and. it
Oh
can-
yes.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Uber had that.
Uber pup was you could take your dog in this.
No. It is a puppies in
Therapy
the
dog in the car.
Yeah, car, and it'll just like you can pet it and you can come back.
And what happened? Why did it stop? Because
I mean, the business model. I don't.
I just think you were in an Uber pool and a dog had booked with you, and you thought they just have a pup there.
Uber sup.
What's up?
But yeah, also we are on tour, the both of us. Are you going? Maybe Ronak's doing relationship advice probably.
I am going on tour. Yeah. If I have a tour, I'll put my tour dates here.
best
Yeah.
plug, the best plug we've had.
If you're
so
on
far.
tour, the links will be down.
Yeah, just watch us wherever.
Just watch us. No?
Yeah.
What's your problem, dude?
Yeah. Cheers.